Hey, I want to congratulate you for making the smart decision to get Vizeo. Now, before we send you off to the members area to access the software, it's really important that you watch the rest of this video, as this could be the difference between success and failure with Vizeo. Now, you won't see this page again, so please pay very close attention as this affects your results. And just so you know, our VizeoApp Pro upgrade has features that are worth thousands of dollars in real value alone, which gives you the huge advantage to be miles ahead of your competition and even other Vizeo users. I'm talking about doubling your results in half the time without any effort on your end. Now, to reward you for being a new Vizeo member, you're invited to this one-time exclusive chance to upgrade to the Pro version for a fraction of what we'll be charging in the future. Now, these additional premium features in the Pro version are going to allow you to skyrocket your profits and save you thousands of dollars, so you can take your business to the next level and supercharge your results like never before. Now, here's a quick breakdown of what's included in your Pro upgrade and why you absolutely need this in order to use Vizeo to its full potential. Now, right off the bat, you get double the amount of AI video animation minutes every single month. Now, every AI video that is rendered on our server costs us a lot to maintain and keep running smoothly for you. Now, instead of the standard 100 video AI animation minutes, with the Pro upgrade you get double the amount, so that's 200 video animation minutes every single month. This gives you plenty of AI animated minutes to expand into dominating different niches and sell to an unlimited number of clients, both online and offline, resulting in thousands of dollars in extra profits without any hard work. You can double or even triple your profits on your online agency business. Imagine how much difference that extra money could make to your life or your family's future. On top of that, you get access to 50 additional stunning video templates in different niches, which will allow you to stand out from everybody else and give you the edge as you're using fresh new templates. Now, you'll be able to sell to more local businesses in the hottest niches who need help in attracting more customers. This could be the difference between making 5 to 6 figures per year online. Tap into the huge demand of offline businesses that need AI videos and voiceovers to promote their business. They are willing to pay $500 to $1,000 per video alone, plus a monthly maintenance fee on top for making any future edits. Now, imagine the income potential on this. Just selling one video spokesperson service skyrockets your profits by 100 times and pays for this upgrade itself. But that's not all though. There's more insane value inside that's going to blow you away. Now, you get the unfair advantage with access to 50 extra premium Pro voices. Now, these premium voice artists sound more natural and better than the standard ones, and this will keep you miles ahead of your competition, and your clients will be craving for you to create AI videos and voiceovers in those premium special voices. Also, you can move 10 times faster with an extra 300 voice accents in 82 different languages at your fingertips. Take your online business to the next level with twice the power and leverage. Unlock 300 more voice accents and 41 extra languages, which allows you to expand and dominate in more lucrative markets twice as fast. Leave your competition in the dust without extra effort. Reach global audiences and new untapped markets for insane profit potential. Now, what's even better, you get access to millions of royalty-free music tracks to spice your AI videos and voiceovers up. Skyrocket your conversions and engagement by leveraging our AI music library. And with millions of tracks to choose from, you can make your human talking videos pop and keep your viewers engaged. Now, you get commercial rights to be able to sell and monetize this anywhere you like without any restrictions, keeping 100% of the profits. You also get access to our powerful text-to-image AI that does all of the hard work for you. Simply enter any text and Vizio's AI will automatically create relevant images which you can use within your videos. This saves you countless hours trying to find good images. You get unlimited use of this feature without any limits or restrictions. On top of that, you get access to another powerful feature that allows you to convert any text file into a professional, natural human voiceover in any language with just one click. The possibilities are endless with what you can do with this. And to give you even more insane value in this upgrade, you'll see how you can start making money with your Vizio agency in less than 24 hours from now. You just simply copy and profit, all the way from finding big ticket clients, closing them, creating the human talking videos and voiceovers the right way, and getting paid thousands of dollars from local businesses. No stone is left unturned. Now here's the thing, Vizio is going to allow you to move 100 times faster than you normally would, as it takes you just minutes to get a stunning AI human talking video created. But it's literally impossible for you to fail if you're following a proven training blueprint that covers everything you need to know from A to Z. You're never going to be left stuck at any part of the process. Nothing is missing and no hidden secrets. So even if you're not good at online marketing or have never done this before, if you can just copy exactly what we show you, then you will always have a way to make money, just like our customers have for years. Now you're going to be able to leverage and access all of this and be able to have it all at your fingertips for a ridiculously low one-time fee of just $67, which is pretty much priceless with the amount of value you're going to be getting to grow your business to levels you would have never thought possible. Now, since you're a new customer and we value your business, we want to let you in for a huge discount. Now we know once you are blown away by Vizio, you'll soon be recommending our platform to all your friends, colleagues and so on. You won't ever pay the steep monthly fee we'll be charging for the Pro upgrade in the near future. I know this is insane, but we want to build a loyal fan base and make this affordable to everyone viewing this video during our first grand launch opening. Now the second this launch closes, we'll most likely be charging at least $97 per month for access to this Pro upgrade. And when you consider everything you're getting here, even at $97 a month, this is an incredible deal. But because you're our newest member, you're getting everything for just a low one-time fee of $67. However, I have to warn you though, this offer only lasts while this page is open. If you leave without taking action, you'll never get the chance to upgrade to the Pro version for this price ever again. So don't wait around and lose this priceless upgrade. Click on the buy button below this video and we'll instantly upgrade your account without you doing anything. Lock in your heavily discounted one-time price while you still can and enjoy twice the results in half the time. So don't hesitate, we're here waiting for you on the inside and we can't wait to start reading your success stories. I'll see you on the inside in just a few short moments.